Hey guys, Smuggler's Build here, and today I am going to be building Agent Venom from Marvel Comics. So, first we're going to go down to lower parts, and we're going to go to the Star Wars. So, we're going to go with the kind of gunner torso piece. And we're going to go to accessories because we're putting the black Batman belt on him from the Lego Batman movie. Here it is. We're gonna put it in black. I actually have to tap that again. Then we go to upper parts, superheroes, Marvel, and we can try Venom torso pieces. So this is from the new Venom figure. Venom from the Daily Bugle set. I don't believe there is another Venom torso. Yeah, there's no other ones. So now we go back to accessories. We're gonna put some armor on him. Some armor plating. Just gonna look around. So let's see. No, not that one. So no, that wouldn't work. So I can keep checking these out. I do like this one, but that's oversized and kind of bulging over the arms a bit. So now I am just going to pick one of these pieces here and put it in black. It's very similar to the version they have in the Lego Marvel Superheroes 2 figure. Now we're going back to heads, and we're going to use the Spider-Man helmet from the Stealth Spider-Man suit, or Spider-Man Noir, I guess. So we're gonna go all the way down to 2019. So here, I also believe, yeah, they do have it. So here we go, Black Spider-Man. It does look kind of weird with the eyes, so I am just going to stick with the Stealth Spider-Man suit helmet. Then weapons, I'm going to give it this rifle. I could do it in black, or I could do it in pearl scent. I'll probably go with pearl scent. Does look a bit out there. So this is how you build Agent Venom from comics published by Marvel. It's also based on Lego Marvel Superheroes, Lego Marvel Superheroes 2, with the plating a bit, with a bit of the plating and the gun here. I got that from the video game. The torso it's just from the Daily Bugle set, really, or the newer Venoms. The legs are from Star Wars. The belt's from Batman, and the helmet or headpiece is just from Spider-Man Far From Home sets. Um, and this is how you make Agent Venom. It's one of my newer builds, one of my new favorite builds. It's totally up there. It's one of my favorite builds I've done. It's easy to do. There's not that much you have to do. It's all of the pieces are pretty much there, so it's not much. If you guys have any comments or suggestions, put it in the comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.